Hello, 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 hello. Today is the 1st of 2018, and I hope you're making plans and not just resolutions because those shits don't work. If you're still someone who still stick on or bent on making New Year resolutions, then I don't think you know what you're doing. It's time to make plans and take deliberate actions. All right. Having said that, I see a lot of persons are having issues because of uh, these Bitcoin fees and all of that is at treasures, and Passful isn't helping matters with its sellers. The thing with Passful is it's not Passful itself, but actually the sellers. Okay, the sellers charges a fee for actually exchanging your naira or your dollar for Bitcoin, right? Passful doesn't really charge you. Okay, whatever fee you incur is either from the miners, okay, or from the sellers who are exchanging your naira or dollar for Bitcoin. Okay, so someone asked, how do I um, boycott these fees and all of that? How what do I really do if I'm storing? Okay, if I'm holding, that's what the person asked. Well, this is what I do. I use Exodus wallet, okay, for my Bitcoin. I just buy on Luno. Like I bought some I bought 50k worth. I was just buying them in bashes as the price of Bitcoin was dipping. In case you don't know, this is actually the best time to actually buy Bitcoin. Okay. So I made some transactions worth 50k. You can see it here, 14, 15, 15, 16, 11. No, so I made some transactions, but I was doing them in batches. I currently have this right now. Okay, I'm so just looking at it. I'm like, what am I going to use it for? To buy maybe an altcoin. I don't know yet, but I'm just looking at it. I don't want to use Bitcoin to buy altcoin. So what I do is this. Now, in case you don't know, Luno, you can buy Ethereum and Bitcoin on Luno. That's and something about it. If you're someone who is concerned about convenience, you don't want to deal with third parties. Luno will actually help you with that because they offer you that it's like you're buying from them. So they use PayU, and PayU charges 1.5% for every deposit you make. Okay, that's what PayU charges you. Now on conversion, Luno takes some fraction of what you are. Let me show you guys something so you get the picture better. So you see, um, I deposited 15k, okay, and the charge from um, PayU was 237 naira, which is 1.5% of 15k. All right, so this is what is left, and I use it to buy Bitcoin. Okay, but if you convert this, you will discover that using third parties, you will get more Bitcoin than from this value right here. Okay, but it's not really much. All right, if you check it out, it's not really much. All right, the issue with Luno is if you're someone who wants to have large amounts on it and you want to send at fractions, you will incur loss of fees. Okay, so I don't really use Luno to store large. I don't store large amount, or I don't hold on Luno. What I use Luno for is I purchase and I send everything out. Now, for instance, um, I bought 16k, and this is what was left. This is what was left. Okay, and from this fifth, this from this 16, I bought Bitcoin worth of the, and this is what was left. This is the value of Bitcoin, okay, that I bought for 15,779. All right, and I transferred it out. Everything, not I didn't leave a single coin, not even one Satoshi. All right, and everything was sent to my wallet, my Exodus wallet. So that's what I do. I buy in batches and I send everything out. So if you're someone who just want to buy in, I really don't advise anyone to actually go ahead and use Bitcoin for exchanges. Okay, like you want to buy an altcoin. I think you should be using Ethereum because the fees are, some persons will say you buy Ethereum, you exchange it for buy sorry Bitcoin, you exchange for Ethereum, then you take it back again. And there is quite a long process. Someone who is just starting out will find it quite cumbersome, something really complex. But what I'm just trying to say is use Ethereum instead of Bitcoin for your altcoins. All right. So what you do is this: you either want to use uh, any of these wallets, Coin Payment, Exodus Wallet, all the rest of them, okay, for your storage. But if you want to buy, it's okay to buy in batches on Luno and send everything and make sure you send everything out. If you are comfortable with the little fees that is incurred during the conversion, okay, of your Naira to Bitcoin, if you are comfortable with that, then you can go ahead. You can discover that if I were to use a third party, I might be, instead of having a 0.0026, I might be having 0.0027. Okay, if I had used a third party, but it's a fraction. Okay, is if you're someone who is buying large sums, you really concern yourself about it. Okay, so that's that. So that's what you need to do. So if you want to use it for buying of altcoin, like you want to buy an altcoin, exchange your Naira for Ethereum. You can buy Ethereum here. Okay, when you've deposited your money, the 1.5 is not Luno that is charging you, that is PayU. Okay, that is actually charging those transaction fees. Okay, and once you send your Ethereum to Binance, I already there's a video. You will find a link. Just check somewhere in this video how to actually use Ethereum to buy any of your altcoins. Okay, so that's basically it. If you are comfortable with the little fees that Luno will charge, okay, but you have to know that I don't really advise you to keep large sum of Bitcoin on Luno and then be sending out fractions. That's my concern. You don't want to keep large sum on Luno and be sending out fractions. If at all you are sending out Bitcoin from Luno, you should be sending out everything you have on Luno, because if you try that, you want to send zero point 0.1 Bitcoin and you have 0.2 Bitcoin as your balance, Luno can charge you 0.1. I don't know if you get that. I believe you do. So that's it, guys. So if you're purchasing, use the code. There is a code below this video. Once you use the code, Luno will actually give you free Bitcoin. All right. So there is a code below this video, or just use the code, or you use the link, whichever you're comfortable with. But if you use either the code or the link, Luno will actually offer you free Bitcoin. So that's it, guys.